Good evening, class 8. Actually, class 8, unit 8, sound chapter. I have already finished the lesson. Today, I give some BLE, basic level examination questions, practice questions for class 8, topic sound. Question number 1, draw and label longitudinal wave and transverse wave. For the longitudinal wave, you have to show compression and rarefaction. Transverse wave, you have to show crest, trough, amplitude, wavelength, etc. Question number 2, define crest. Crest is the highest point of a wave, denoted by C. Trough. Trough is the lowest point of a transverse wave. Crest and trough belong to the transverse wave. Compression. Compression is the region of high density but low speed. In case of longitudinal wave, rarefaction is the region of low density and it has relatively high speed. In case of longitudinal wave, amplitude is the maximum displacement of a wave upward or downward. Echo is the reflection of sound from an obstacle. It is heard once. Reverberation is the continuous repetition of the echo mixed with the original sound. It is more intense. It is heard many times. Frequency, it is the number of complete vibrations made by a vibrating object per second. Its SI unit is hertz. Wavelength, you can define wavelength in two ways. In case of transverse wave, it is the distance between two successive crests or troughs. In case of longitudinal wave, wavelength is the distance between two successive compressions or rarefactions. It is denoted by lambda and its SI unit is meter. Acoustics, you can define it. Acoustics is the branch of physics which deals with the systematic study of sound. Not only we hear सुन्ने मात्र होइन, systematic study of sound like ultrasound, infrasound, audible sound, and you can apply in our daily life. Question number 3, mention the range of audible sound. What is meant by 50 hertz? Audible sound, it's the sound which we can hear. Audible sound ranges from 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. It means 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. 50 hertz. 50 hertz means that the vibrating body or object makes 50 complete cycles or vibrations per second. If there is 60 hertz, 60 complete cycles. 100 hertz, 100 complete cycles per second. Question number 3, distinguish between echo and reverberation. Write in 2 points. Echo, large distance and time. And how many times? Once, many times. Light and sound. I have not written, but you can write yourself. Light is a transverse electromagnetic wave. Sound is a longitudinal mechanical wave. Light affects our eyes, whereas sound affects our ears. Generally, speed of light is very high, 3 lakh km per second. Sound only 332 meter per second in air. Frequency and wavelength already written. Define and write down the SI unit and formula. In the same way, you can distinguish between crest and trough, distinguish between compression and rarefaction, distinguish between longitudinal wave and transverse wave, etc. Question number 4, mention 3 uses of ultrasound. Also, mention sound speed in air, water and vacuum. See, 3 uses of ultrasound. Ultrasound is very useful. Number 1, it is used to measure the depth of sea or ocean. It is also used uh, to heal wounds, to make always, and in siren and in many other things. nowadays ultrasound is also useful in the medical field for the diagnosis of disease, to find out the symptoms of diseases, because ultrasound is safe and X-ray is harmful. Mention sound speed in air, water and vacuum. In air, generally we write 332 meter per second, water about 1500 meter per second, vacuum 0. In the same way, the speed of sound is more in liquid and maximum in solid. Question number 4.